Well, hello everyone. I I will be reading the fourth part, which is that part. Use of Google Play by you. As soon as I finish reading all of these and all the other things from I not down on Google Play, I finally will be able to put my app as a test, of course, not I not publicate, but I will finally put my app in Google Play, and after that I can develop develop that with some tranquility. I hope. Well, let's not waste time. Use remember just to tell you people, as you can see by the clock that is here, I will read all I can until 11 p.m. After that, I need to go to some sleep. Even if I feel sleepy right now. Use of Google Play by you. 4.1. You and your product must adhere to the developer program policies. Let us see this. Yeah, that's something that we will read after. Must adhere to the developer program. What means adhere? Okay, now I know what it is. I must adhere to developer program policies. You are responsible for uploading your products to Google Play, providing required products information and support to users, and accurately disclosing the permissions necessary for the product to function on user devices. You are responsible for maintaining the confidentiality of any developer credentials that Google may issue to you or that you may choose yourself, and you are solely responsible for all products that are developed under your developer credentials. Google may limit the number of developer accounts issued to you or to the company or organization you work for. 4.4. Except for the licensing rights granted by you in this agreement, Google agrees that it obtains no right, title, or interest from you or your licensors under this agreement in or to any of your products, including any intellectual property rights in those products. Woohoo! That was something that I wasn't unsure. So they don't Google agrees that it obtains no right, title, or interest from you or us in or to any of the. Okay. You may not use Google Play to distribute. You may not use Google Play to distribute or make available. You may not use Google Play to distribute or make available any product that has a purpose uh, that has a purpose that facilitates the distribution of software, applications and games for use on Android device outside of Google Play. Okay. 4.6. You agree to use Google Play only for purposes that are permitted by this agreement and any applicable law, regulation, or generally accepted practices or guidelines in the relevant jurisdictions, including any laws regarding the export of data or software to and from the United States or other relevant countries. 4.7. Users are instructed to contact you concerning any defects or performance issues in your products, and you are responsible for undertaking or handling the support and maintenance of your products, and any complaints about your products. You agree to supply You agree to supply and maintain valid and accurate contact information that will be displayed in each of your products detail page and made available to users for customer support and legal purposes. For your paid products or in-app transactions, you agree to respond to customer support inquiries within 3 business days and within 24 hours to any support project concern stated by the urgent stated to be urgent by Google. For 4.8, you agree that if you make your products available through Google Play, you will protect the privacy and legal rights of users. If the users provide you with or your product accesses or uses usernames, passwords, or other login information or personal information, you agree to make the users aware that the information will be available to your product, and you agree to provide legally adequate privacy notice and protection for those users. Further, your product may only use that information. Further, your product may only use that information for the limited purposes. Further, your product may only use Further, your product may only use that information for limited purposes for which the user has given you permission to do so. If your product stores personal and/or sensitive information provided by users, you agree to do so securely and only for as long as it is needed. However, if the user has opted into a separate agreement with you that allows you or your products to store or use personal or sensitive information directly related to your product, not including other products or applications, then the terms of that separate agreement will govern your use of such information. If the user provides your product with Google account information, If the user provides your product with a Google account information, your product may only use information to access the user account when and for the limited purpose for which the user has given you permission to do so. You will not engage in activity with Google Play, including making your products available via Google Play that interferes interferes with disrupt damages or access in an unauthorized manner the device, servers, networks, or other properties or services of any third party, including but not limited to Google or any authorized provider. I'm really sleepy now. You are solely responsible for, and Google has no responsibility to you for your products, including the use of Google Play APIs, and for the consequences of your actions, including any loss or damage which Google may suffer. Dot 4.11 Google Play allows users to rate and review products. Only users who download the applicable product will be able to rate and review it on Google Play. For new developers without product history, Google may use or publish performance measures such as uninstall or refund rates to identify or remove products that are not meeting acceptable standards, as determined by Google. Google reserves the right to display the products to users in a manner that will be determined at Google's sole discretion. Your product may be subject to user ratings, and reviews to which you may not agree. If you have concerns regarding such ratings and reviews, you may report it via the Play Console. Right now, well, I can, even though it is not 11 p.m., I really feel sleepy. I must falling from my chair. I think I need to sleep now. Well, at least we finish one topic. Well, people,